because of high demand for parrots as pets in Europe, in the United States of America, in Asia, and even among the affluent families in Africa. The African parrots have been trapped and trafficked for illicit trade and exported. Overhunting combined with forest degradation has led to dramatic decline in wildlife parrot population, which are now threatened with extinction.
So when we bring these animals here and we're going to have them in the boma for some time, it's for us to observe and see, did the travel have any effect on the birds? If so, we would see how long can the bird cope up before we let them out. So we are here to look out for those fitness factors, and then afterwards we are also here to ensure that they cope up to the new environment. So that's what we are going to do here. So we will have them here, we'll continue to feed them, and then they will move out at will. We have known some people say or have witnessed that sometimes after animals being in captivity, they might go and come back. There is a post-observation. So it will take like a day or two because the food will continue to be presented to see whether they come back. If they come back and they can't fend for themselves, the door will be open.
So this is our first batch, and we are proud that they've made it and they're here, and we want to see the process, and they'll be ambassadors for the others.